So welcome students. In this question you're given two curves, y square is equal to x and y minus x is equal to 1. You're asked to find the shortest distance between these two curves. So whenever you're asked to find the shortest distance between two curves, we know that the shortest distance always occurs in the direction of a common normal. Shortest distance always occurs in the direction of common normal. This direction has to be normal to this line as well as this parabola. So if this line is normal to this parabola, if this line is normal to the line, so this angle is equal to 90 degrees. And if this line is also normal to the parabola, that means if you draw a tangent at this point, this should also be perpendicular to this line. Hence, by effect, the tangent at this point P, if this point is Q, if PQ is the shortest distance, the tangent at this point P has to be parallel to this line. So this line is y is equal to x plus 1. This line is y is equal to x plus 1. Hence, the slope of the tangent at this point has to be also equal to 1 because the slope of this line is equal to 1. So what is the slope of tangent to the curve at an arbitrary point x comma y? So if I differentiate this, 1 is equal to 2y dy by dx. This implies dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2y. dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2y, right? So this has to be equal to 1 because the tangent should be parallel to the given line. This implies y has to be equal to 1 by 2. So for this point, y has to be equal to 1 by 2 and correspond to y is equal to 1 by 2, x is equal to y square, that is 1 by 4. So the point corresponding to the shortest distance from this line is 1 by 4 comma 1 by 2. Now if I have to calculate this, I can find the equation of this normal and get this equation of the line. So better than that is, if I want PQ, I can just find the perpendicular distance from P onto Q. So shortest distance is nothing but the perpendicular distance of this point onto this line. It is x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the line and the point is 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So what is the shortest distance? We get 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 2. That is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 minus 1 by 2. That is you get 3 by 4 by root 2. That is equal to 3 by 4 root 2 units. So that is the shortest distance. Thank you.